everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study again how to solve the H problem and grade 7. Number 1 problem. The age of the father is twice as old as his sons. If the sum of their ages is 84, how old are they now? So asking for the present age, then we're going to analyze the age of the sons we do not know. That's why we're going to represent this as x, and the age of the father is twice means 2x. So let x be the age of the son, 2x the age of the father, and the problem stated of the sum, meaning to say we're going to add the x and the 2x, meaning the x is the son and 2x is the father. So that's why we have, in our representation, we have be the sum of their ages. So the equation now, we have x plus 2x. Then to complete the sentence for the equation, equals to 84. Then we have to solve the equation. X plus 2x equals 84. Then combine like terms, x plus 2x equals 3x. Then just bring down the 84. And we're going to solve for x, so we're going to divide both sides by 3. So 3x divided by 3 equals x, and 84 divided by 3 equals x is 28. So if we're going to check if our answer is correct, the age of the son is 28. The age of the father is twice of the age of the son, which is 28 times is equals to 56. Then the sum of their ages, we're going to add 28 plus 56 equals 84. So in this situation, therefore our answer is correct. Okay, next problem, number 2. Jane is 1/2 as old as Celine. 6 years ago, Jane is 25, less than Lane age. How old are they 6 years ago? Okay, the problem asking for the previous year's age of Jane and Lynn. So our solution, we have also to have a representation just to determine who is the x. Okay, let x be the present age of Lynn, and 1/2 x be the present age of Jane. Lane age 6 years ago is x minus 6. Okay, we're going to minus if it is asking for the past or ago. Jane age 6 years ago, 1/2 x minus 6. Other relation we have, based on the problem, we have Jane is 25 less than Lane age. So if we're going to translate this into sentence, we have mathematical sentence, we have Jane equals to x minus 6 minus 25. Okay, our equation, Jane's age ago equals Lane age ago. This is just a matter of comparison. So we have to solve the equation. Jane's age ago is 1/2 x minus 6 equals Lane age ago is we have quantity x minus 6 minus 25. Okay, 1/2 x minus 6 equals, we're going to simplify at the right side of the equation. We have x, then minus 6 minus 25, we're going to add because like sign, we have now 31. And then the result of the new equation is 1/2 x minus 6 equals x minus 31. So we're going to divide it by 2, both sides, in order to eliminate the denominator of the fraction. Okay, 2 times 1 equals 2, divided by 2 equals 1 times 6 equals x. 2 times minus 6 equals negative 12, equals x minus 2 equals 2x, then negative 31 times 2, we have negative 62. And then we have to combine, now we're going to transpose the variable at the left side of the equation and the constant at the right side of the equation. Okay, we have to transpose positive 2x to the left side of the equation. Becomes now x negative 2x equals negative 62. Transpose the constant. Negative 12 becomes now positive 12. Then combine like terms. So x minus 2x equals negative x. Minus 62 plus 12. We have negative 50. And then since we're going to solve for x, we're going to divide it by negative 1, both sides, and we have now positive x equals 50. So if we're going to check if our answer is correct, Line age is 6 years ago, we have x minus 6, so since our x is 50, minus 6 equals 44. Jane's age 6 years ago, 1 up x minus 6 equals 1 up, and Jane's x equals 50, that's the value of x, then divided by 2 equals 25 minus 6. Then 25 minus 6 equals 19. Jane is 25 less than 8, it's become the age of Jane is 44 minus 99 equals 25 less than 8. Correct. So our complete answer, Lane age is 6 years ago is 44 and Jane age 6 years ago is 19. Area problem review. Because to evaluate our stock knowledge in solving area problem. The first problem, a triangular garden with a base of 8 meters and a height of 6 meters is to be covered with grass. How many square meters of grass are needed for the garden? So that's the questions. Our solution, we have to determine the given. The given is figure is triangle with the base of 8 meters and the height of 6 meters and find the area. So to solve this problem, we have to remember the formula of a triangle for finding the area. Area is equals to 1/2 of the base times the height equals 1/2, and we're going to substitute from the given. Base is 8 and the height is 6. Then we're going to multiply 8 times 6 equals 48 times 1. The same, we have 48 divided by 2, we have 24 square meters is the area of a triangle. Our complete answer for this problem, 24 square meters of grass are needed to cover the garden. Next, number 2 problem about area problem review. Mr. Cruz has a square lawn in his front yard that measures 10 meters on one side. His backyard is 9 meters long and 7 meters wide. How much bigger in this backyard than his front yard? Problem asking for the difference between the area of a given square and the area of the given rectangular figures. So we have to pick up the given. The square side is equal equals to 10 meters front yard. And about the rectangular dimension, we have 9 meters by 7 meters. So our equation is we have to write first the area of a square, finding the area of a square, and finding the area of the rectangular, length times width. Then we're going to compute the area of a square. We have the given side is 10, so we're going to square becomes 100 meter squared, the area of a square. Then for the area of a rectangular, we have length times width. We have 9 times 7 equals 63 squared meters. Then we're going to subtract 100 m squared minus 63 m squared. So in order to get the difference. So the difference now between the area of the square 10 squared meter minus rectangular area, which is 63 squared meter, we have 37 squared meter. So therefore, our complete answer, the front yard is 37 squared meter bigger backyard.